How you doing, peoples? Welcome back. Today I'm just going to show you how to clean your K&N air filter, your flat panel. You're going to need a recharge kit, which is this. You've got your cleaner and your air filter oil. I've already used the cleaner, but the data got corrupted on the foil. I'm not doing it again. So what you need to do is use this on both sides liberally, so you fairly soak it. Let it dry in for 10 minutes. Well, actually let it work for 10 minutes, don't let it dry. Then run water through the top of it. This is the bottom here, this is the top. This is where all your dirt will all get caught. So you run water just out of the tap, through the top of it, till all the suds are gone out of it. Let it dry for about, this is 2 to 3 hours. I let mine dry overnight because I didn't really need the car. And then what you're going to do is when it dries, you're going to take your oil and spray it until all the filter on both sides is red. And then it says it's good to use after about 5 or 10 minutes. So just make sure you get it in all the pleats and all the cracks. So that's what we're going to do now. That's fairly red there, and just the other side. The bottom of it is always going to look dirtier, but that's where all your air gets filtered. I'll leave that to dry for about, it says 3 to 5 minutes. I'd leave it for about 15 minutes to a half an hour personally, but that's it there. And then you just put it back in your airbox here. I had the airbox apart because I steam cleaned it, getting all the dirt out of it, and then you put it all back in the car. Thanks very much.